Hi guys, today I'm doing a very exciting video. I just couldn't wait to film it, and that's why I look like a sloppy mess. I've been working most of the day and I really wanted to do this unboxing on camera, and I just didn't feel like getting ready, and I really want to know what's in it before, you know, tomorrow and the next day, because tomorrow I can't film either, so we're gonna do it now. This is a haul unboxing from a brand called Goodfare. Now, I don't even remember how I found this brand. It was like, pretty sure it was on Instagram. It's a unisex thrift shop, but it's not like any other thrift shop. You guys know I've been shopping a lot on Poshmark. I actually am gonna have a haul coming up soon. You guys know my New Year's resolution was to make less waste, so if I'm shopping, I'd rather buy used products so I don't add to the waste, and you know, all of the fashion in the world adds so much waste. So a lot of stuff I've been buying on Poshmark, and I find that the deals are way better, and I've just had a really good experience with that. But Goodfare is a brand that has only mystery boxes and like surprise boxes where you buy, they have tons of different options. You can buy like 5 t-shirts or 2 sweatshirts or windbreakers, and like they have so many different options. I think you just like pick your size and they send it to you and you have no idea what's gonna come. You can put, when you order it, like your style, so they can kind of pick things. I didn't do that though. I literally just picked one set and was like, you know what, we're gonna try this. I just got mine now. I just got it like an hour ago in the mail. I got the Mother Earth bundle. It comes with 6 t-shirts, a sweatshirt, and 2 flannels. I would have liked more sweatshirts, but there wasn't one that I was like super eager to get. I'm pretty sure this was $35, which is such a good deal for all those items, especially if they're cute. If they're not, I can always resell them on Poshmark or give them to friends. I just think it's super cool. Like, I'm not big, you guys know I'm not a big like beauty box person, because you never know what you're gonna get. You don't know if it's worth it. But this was such a good price, and I thought, I don't know, the reviews seemed to be really good. And you never know what you're gonna get, and it's kind of fun, and I just thought it would be super fun to like get like a surprise box of clothes for a good price. I know this isn't gonna be everyone's cup of tea, so here's my box. Nice cardboard box so that it's completely recyclable, which is great. So let's open it. I've not opened this, like it's still taped shut. Okay, there's the tape. Garbage. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh, should I keep my eyes shut? Something I can already see I don't like, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so I got my receipt. I don't think you can return. Okay, this is the sweatshirt. Oh no. Oh no. It's like a grandma sweatshirt. This isn't starting out good. Okay. Secondhand, not second rate. Wash before wearing. Size may vary from mark to tag. So it says petite. Oh, this is so ugly. This is so ugly. Oh my god. Oh no. It has shoulder pads in it. Guys, this is a sweatshirt that has shoulder pads in it. Should I do a try on? It has shoulder pads, guys. It has shoulder pads in it. Look at it. Oh no. This is not a good sign. It's in good condition though, it is. Like, there's a little bit of pilling, but the inside's still soft. It kind of smells like medicine. But, okay, that's definitely going to be donated to Goodwill or something like that. Okay, next. Okay, J. Crew Slim, medium slim. And remember, this is unisex. This isn't unisex. I mean, it could be for some people, but I don't know a lot of guys that would wear that. This is just a plain blue shirt. It has a pocket. So far, I'm not impressed. Oh, I was hoping there would be something super cool and like exciting in here. I thought there'd be some t-shirts I could crop, but so far, I'm not impressed. Okay, very wrinkled, and this is not in good condition. Yikes. The size is cut out. It's a Washington State t-shirt. It's super duper wrinkled and crispy, so that's another bad one. I crave your silhouette. Oh, I'm so not impressed, guys. I was really hoping this would be like super exciting and I'd get you all to order and be like a fun thing. Okay, I see a color I would never wear in a million years. Oh god. Another wrinkled, super wrinkled. What is this? Give? This is like real, like thrifted stuff, guys. Employee Giving 2018. Like, what? A pink one. It says 59th Medical Wing. something's happening. This shirt is, I swear, this is just a medium green shirt. Black, okay, a very crispy plain black tee. Oh my god. Well, as a vegetarian, I'm not gonna wear this, am I? No, I'm not gonna wear that. Will work for bacon. Really? I imagine a lot of people who shop on this website are vegetarian or vegan, so that's... Okay, now the two flannels. One looks okay. Okay, here's one. That's okay, right? Okay, this is from Salt Valley, size medium. It's old. This one, they all kind of smell like medicine. I can make this work. I could either crop it or tie it. I think I can make this work. This we can keep. This one isn't too bad. The material's all funky. It's from Apartment 9. It's a medium. It's more gray and red. Not a fan. Not a fan. And my boyfriend is 6'4", so I can't give him any of this, so... The only thing that I would keep is this blue flannel, and even so, I would never have bought this. Oh, I'm so bummed. And none of this is in good enough condition I could sell it on Poshmark. Like, not one thing. I might put in some try-on for some of it, just for fun. Okay, so now that let me move over here. Now that I tried everything on, I don't hate it as much. I gotta be honest, I really don't. The flannels both worked out the way I styled them, and I just feel like I styled everything to make it work. The things I really don't like are this shirt and this one. Okay, there's no saving this, but this is no, like there's shoulder pads in it, so I might just get a replacement for those two items, and everything else might actually stick together. So I thought not only would I do a try on, but those pictures kind of show you how to style thrifted items, like even things that you might think are kind of terrible. Like you saw me opening them, I was like so bummed, but then I tried them on and gave them a chance and kind of styled them in like a way that I would wear them with high-waisted jeans and a belt or something, and they work, you know? So you can make this kind of stuff work, even if you don't think it looks good. If you want to save money and shop with a more ethical brand and thrift, you can make thrifting work for you. Like I feel like I really hated this stuff and it really did work once I made it work. You know what I mean? Some things are beyond help. Like this is just, I can't. This is beyond help. If you want this, let me know and I'll put it on my Poshmark for like $1. Well, they don't let you sell for $1, but like $5. I'll put this for $5 on Poshmark if you want it. If not, it's getting donated. But Good Affair is actually pretty cool. Like I would totally actually do this again. I feel like this is really fun. You guys want me to do this like once every quarter and like try to style the pieces I got, like mystery thrifting. I don't know, I'll title it something, but like, so the mystery thrift box unboxing and styling, something like that. Trying to style a mystery thrift box. Let me know if you guys would want that, because I feel like I kind of had fun with it. I meant to film when I was trying things on, like talk you through how I styled it, but I just took pictures because at first I didn't realize that I was actually gonna like stuff. So maybe next time that's what I'll do. But let me know if you liked this. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to see more from me, like I said. My Poshmark haul will be up soon. And yeah, go check out Good Affair, because I feel like this is pretty cool.